Harrison and Jan, you get started, okay? I'll come to you later. You think about it, this one, what are you doing? You have a dictionary. You want to get the H key of the variable. This variable is user. User is the variable name. Then you want to use the key of age. Then it's actually age as a string over here. That's actually here, and put it into bracket as like a array type of the access. Okay, you have to remember it. Wait. Is the key faculty equals R, so R equals faculty. Students faculty equals art, or students art equals faculty. R is one kind of faculty, or faculty is one kind of art. Which one is a property? Which one is value? Art is one kind of faculty, right? So literally you assign the key is faculty. So students key is faculty. Where did you use the faculty? Okay, don't rush, okay? Don't rush. You actually need to be careful. The color blue year 2018. So you update color, you don't have color. So now you have 4 data fields. Color, you have color, but you do not have year. So you have a year, brain, model, and color. Year, brain, model, and color. So what is the dictionary? What is the value in the dictionary? So it's a Ford Mustang Red and 2018. Ford Mustang Red and 2018. Or you update it with split. So Ford, Mustang, Blue, and Mustang still have Mustang, and Mustang, you don't have a Mustang. Hello, Mustang. You are missing a Mustang. remove. So you are remove your popping mass out. Actually, this mass, capital mass. How do you pop out your mass data field? No. No. Your dictionary need to use dot or brackets. Now it's using function, so it needs to be dot pops. So then after you finish this coding solo run for Python, you should use your parents' email to open a new account and then redo it again. Is that okay? Another email account to redo it again by yourself. You're not really 100% get it already. Okay? Is that okay? Make sure you get more familiar with it. In for I in, yes. Print I, you want to print display the keys. So I is the keys. So you need to go values is a function, yes. Okay, you need to study harder, okay? Next one, let me have Harrison. Harrison, your turn.
Just finish this one.
Okay, next one. Okay, good job. Next one, let me have Jian. Jian, your turn. Wait. Counter XX. This one -1, where are you -2? Your last one is right here.
Oh, I made a mistake.
This is the N. This one n-1, this one n-2. You are less than n-2. This one not counted, but this one need to be the last one. So you need to be I over here. I is n-2, but I less than length -1. Okay. One more problem. Don't click on the solution. Okay, never click on the solution. That's a bad habit. We want you to focus on thinking. The answer is not important unless that you actually try it for 3 days, you still cannot find a solution. Then you actually look at some solution to copy the idea, but you never check it in this way. Okay.
Oh no, like I already solved this.
Yeah, but you solve it. I don't need you to look at the solution as well. The most important part is you need to keep yourself fresh. Don't get bothered by it, okay? Or in a different way, you are not at a level to look at a solution yet, okay? Unless you are later, you actually come back to work on it for 3 times, 4 times, then you can check it. While you're practicing, don't look at it. Is that okay? The most important part is to struggle, okay? We want you to struggle. And a lot of students don't like to struggle in coding. That's bad. Struggle is good because struggle make yourself grow faster. Okay. My purpose is to keep everyone always original. That's the number one rule in coding. Okay. Keep yourself always original. Never try to count on other people. Then later on, you will build up the habit of being independent. That's very important. You can look at it if 10 years later, you are a good programmer, you may look at some solution if you like, but not right now, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Next one, let me have, go back to Liana. Liana, your turn. Okay, good job. Okay, this one, create a list that include only the value from the scores that are higher than 80. Okay, so you actually is your for X in score. So this one I think is a logic in score and actually okay, I don't think it's if. So this one is a filter of the score. Score with X greater than 60. Okay, let me see. This one. Oh yeah, it's actually if. Yes, you are correct. Yeah, you're correct. I mean, that's actually one way to do it. Sorry. Actually, Python allow it. You're correct. Okay, you continue, okay? You had a model test. You're almost there, okay? Keep working hard. Okay, you continue, okay? Next one, let me have Harrison. Harrison, your turn. Harrison, your turn.
Okay.
Go back to where you get started, okay?
Wait, did I show you this one?
I don't know. You just go. Next one. Next one. Next one. Next one.
I'm working on this one.
Yeah, okay. This one must be wrong.
Oh,
Okay. Thank you. Next one, go back to Jian. Jian, your turn. At this stage for Jian and Harrison, you both need to struggle, okay? Keep yourself deep thinking and keep struggling, that's good, okay? Don't try to find answer. Never look at any answer from internet. You need to build up the habit of coding by yourself. The for loop is not necessary. The second for loop is not necessary. This one, I don't like to use I. I will use a len for lens. Since your I means lens.
Oh, you want this to length.
Yeah, polylens is better. If you polylens is better. The inner loop is not needed. Inner loop is not needed. Your new string plus equals what?
Oh,
Your one later substring, two later substring, three later substring, and four later substring. So what's that?
just I 0 I
Lens.
length.
That's why I told you use lens is better. You feel better because it's lens. You want to say? Does that make sense? Use I usually is for index, but here if you mean it as a lens, that actually you make you feel better. Okay. One more problem for you. Here we are not teaching you coding right or wrong, but also teaching you how to code it efficiently, correctly, and avoiding the error. That's our purpose. 这样理解 OK? But struggle is good. We want you to struggle, keep struggling. I told you not to use follow because you are going into the 18 one later by a later. That's actually too much. That will slow you down. Okay. You are going to the wrong direction.
I don't get the question.
Don't get a question. It actually want you to check how many times the word on at the end of the string happens. So you want to look at what is the last two characters. That's a string is actually called high. Then they would want you to check how many high are there. But do not count these two. Do not count this one. So the last one you would check is the one, just one before it. That's the last one you want to check. Take your time, okay? Struggle is good. We don't need you to go too long. We don't want you to. I want you to struggle. When can you stop struggling? It's until you have the full confidence that you can write out any program by yourself. When you have that confidence, then you are okay. Usually it takes 2-3 years before a coder have the full confidence of I don't need anybody to teach me state editing. Okay. We need you to get that first until you have full 100% confidence. I don't need anybody to teach me coding. Before the first line,
Yeah.
before the first line, check the length.
Yeah. Wait, let me.
Before the first line, check the length.
Yeah. Okay.
If the length less than 2, return 0. Okay. Okay, continue. Okay, go back to Liana. Liana, your turn. Liana, your turn. Okay, good job. Okay, continue. Work hard. Next one, we have Harrison. Harrison, your turn. Go. Next one. Next one. This portion are very easy. Next one. Next one. Next one. This one, draw a picture, okay? Before you get started, draw a picture. You got a string. Okay, so you have the two letters, and this one, you get out of bound. You have no letter. Anything started with less than zero. If I less than zero, you actually also get wrong. Right? And I equal zero, you already had this, so you won't get it wrong. So I less than zero, all this part of the I up to this one is also out of bound. That's issue the two out of bound case you would have.
Okay.
Is that okay? Before
Yeah.
doing the coding, always you need to have this in your mind. You need to do my calculation, having this or draw a picture to help yourself before you do coding. So what's this? Don't use this. This is stupid. I already told you, actually, index less than zero or index greater equals n minus one. Well, why do you need to use an index plus two less than one? This is what kind of equation? Make yourself confused. Right here is on the boundary. You have that's this one starting from this one, you would be not okay. Greater equal to equal also not okay. Return the first two character. Okay.
Okay.
Next one, Jian, your turn. Array don't have parentheses. Arrays is
Oh yeah,
constant. There's no parentheses.
sometimes wonder why like strings are like like string. Actually,
String
the word
has a
string,
function because string is an object. Array is not an object.
but like why not like public void
Mhm.
public like int and then you can just do like string.
Hmm?
Why not do like this so like you can access this like new string link? I mean like why like this?
Why not?
Yeah, like I sometimes wonder why not though. Is there a
Why we
reason
don't do it or why they don't
why
do
they
it?
Oracle didn't make it like this?
I don't know. Oracle make a lot of stupid things. They all have some reason. Some language do that, some language don't, but they all usually have a trail. You know what I'm saying?
Mm,
Just like if you ask people why English is in this way and why Chinese is in different way, I always have no answer because that usually come from some habit. You know what I'm saying?
yeah.
So why Chinese like to use the paintbrush to write Chinese characters instead of using some sort of stick
I
or
don't know, maybe
pencil?
they liked him.
Hmm?
Maybe they liked him.
No, because in the old ancient days, Chinese letters are pictorial. They like to like drawing, so they consider writing is an art. Writing characters is an art. You know what I'm saying? So they actually like to make it artistic writing. While the Western people believe that it's more like a printing is better. We don't want to do it like in that way. So their philosophy is different. So that's the only thing that I can explain why the language become that way. You know what I'm saying? But sometimes some language develop into certain way. There's no reason or no obvious advantage to do that. Okay, good job. Next one, let me go back to Lian now. If no exception happen, the exception block will not be performed because you know exception. Exception is emergency help, but you don't have emergency, so you don't need exception help. They don't send you to the emergency room. No, you know what I'm saying? Because you have no emergency if no exception happen, right? You know what I'm saying? You got hit by a
Yeah.
truck, then you got hit by a truck, so they will send you to the emergency room. But if you are not hit by the truck, you don't need to go to the emergency room. Okay, good job. Next one, go to Harrison. Harrison, your turn. We have 12 more minutes, maybe 2 more wrong, maybe. We will go back. The previous one, you have a red one.
Yeah. I'm going to like the ones I did before and then coming back to the one I'm still on.
Okay, next one. Next one.
And this one was the one I'm still on.
Don't think about your problem. I mean, you are just one case wrong.
Yeah, no, I think I got it like a better way.
Mm. Why you do this? Why you need to greater than 3? Why don't you do less than 3, less than equals 3? Then you actually return something. Because that is easier. Why you need to do this?
Okay.
Your logic is actually just make yourself harder to do. Yeah, because at least put this in one line, but you need to use as 2 lines, 3 lines. Delete the brackets and put it in one line. So basically, let me tell you, you finish this one, anything less than 3 already returned. So anything after it is greater equals 3. Actually, here this one should be 4, because if it happen on index 0 or 1, okay, I mean, okay, 1, if it's 0, okay, 3 is okay, 3 is okay, I mean, sorry. Okay, and then, yeah, that's okay. Then anyone over here, it should be more or equal to 3 now.
Wait, should I remove the equals?
No,
Because isn't like just
no,
bad, like
3
isn't
is
that true?
okay. 3, okay, 3, yeah, 3 may happen. So you actually delete the equals. Never do this. This one, if you want to do it, put it in front.
Hmm.
Okay, you write another one. Actually, this one, actually delete this one. You just return something. And then if the length, so if the length greater equals 4, string the length, not substring. And this one you can do end actually. And the substring 1314 equals the back. One semicolon, you actually return true. And everything else return false. Keep it simple, okay? Don't make it complicated.
I was thinking,
Yeah, but keep it simple. That's the guideline. I mean, when coding, you need some sort of guideline. Next one, Jian, your turn. There are millions of ways to do coding. We cannot say it's wrong, but we have a better way or worse way, okay? Sometimes we not really criticize you because it is correct. Yeah, I mean, we are not criticizing is correct or wrong. We sometimes criticize it because it's not efficient or not easy to not say.
Wait, how do you convert char to string?
Here you use plus equal, there's no need to convert. But if you want to convert, it just is two string plus characters.
Oh,
But here you don't need. You have plus equal, there's no need to do that. You are wrong, the assumption wrong because you do not put the x in the front and end. Your beginning and end part, you do not put it there. This one you have a string. The beginning, this later or this later need to be kept. The middle x will be removed. But you do not add this one and this one. Hello, hear me?
yeah. Wait, what? Wait, can you say it again? I'm kind of confused now.
This problem you have given a string. The first letter and last letter, no matter it's x or not x, it will be added back. But the middle part, you remove all the x. So you remove all the x in the middle, but you did not add this one back, these two back. And you also do not consider the shorter the cases. So with the length less than 2, you should return string. So the first one, if the string the length less than 2, you just return the str. Then you worry about any of the cases the longer than or equal to 2. So let me help you. Yeah, the first one is that. And then this one. And then the rest of them, you should put those two characters back. So this one, no matter it's x or not x, you need to add it. So you do str, I'm sorry, str, that character at 0 plus the new string.
Oh,
You miss that str that character at
string outline.
string that length and then it should be -1. You miss that two characters. That's what I told you. Is that okay? Okay. Next one, go back to Liena. Liena, your turn. Probably the last wrong, okay? Liena, your turn. After that, you can be dismissed by yourself, okay?
We can be dismissed.
Yeah. No, after this.
Um,
Okay, good job. Okay. Next one, let me have Harrison. And Deanna, you can be dismissed, okay? Deanna, you still need to work harder, okay? A lot, need to spend more time on coding. Make
Okay.
yourself higher proficiency, okay? Okay, good night then, bye-bye.
Okay. Bye.
Here go. Next one. Next one. Wait, go back.
Hmm?
What's this?
To check if they're like empty strings.
This is a string. You use double equal sign.
Yeah.
You are lucky this one doesn't check the case. But that means your program is correct.
Yeah.
The coding bed only provides certain test cases. They may not cover enough.
Okay.
Okay, that's not good. Next one. This one you will be error because there is empty string in there. First, you need to think about both empty string, A empty string, and B empty string case. These three cases you need to take care of them. So these three cases, any one of them is actually an empty string, you actually will return A plus B for sure. They won't share the same characters. Or always when you open a parenthesis, you close it right away before you put into the middle things.
Okay.
Otherwise, you will spend time just to check where you begin and where you end.
Okay.
That's wasting time, okay? Okay, good job. Good night then. Next
Good
one,
night.
let me have Jiang. Jiang, your turn. Okay, good night, Harrison.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye. No, this one you don't do -2.
Wait, do I do?
You do every character. So actually no, -0, don't do anything. So here you do you are going to look at why something case, right?
Wait, no. I think there is a
No, I say
lecture
no.
notes. Because
I say no, because the regular character, you will put them back. So let's assume that you have a Y, A, K, G. You need to keep this one back, this one back. So the last one, you still need to put them back. So don't use the follow, you will ask for trouble. Don't do the -2, you will ask for trouble. So here you actually check the if Y is the character at I equals K or not. Here, right here. This one. You check if the character at, okay, let me do this in this way. No, let's do in this different way. So right here, let's do this way. I'm sorry, let's do it this way. No. Let's do it this way. So right here, let's do it in this way. This one, let's actually do it later. So right here, let's do if I less than str the length -2, that you actually put it over here, okay? So you have the two cases. This case is you are out of the window. If you are out of the window, then your new string. Okay, you can declare it later. Okay, will plus equals the str the character at
X.
I, right? So then you don't need to worry about it, because I don't want you to do it right here, because later on you still need to find the two later, but sometimes the string is shorter or something, you don't get it as well. That's actually a big problem. So right here, you check it, the str the character at I equals Y, and okay, whatever, str the character at
I+2.
I+2 equals K. So this is one case. We come back to do it later, okay? And then another case is it is not. If it is not, you should still do str plus equals str character at I. You still add that letter in. Otherwise, right here, you are going to get a new string. Okay.
I think, yeah, no.
Plus equal.
Don't
Plus
you just
equal. Just plus equal is actually
wait,
YK. For sure, right? It's YK.
no, it says where all the YAK are removed, so isn't it vacant?
Oh, all remove. Okay, I'm sorry.
Can I edit?
No. It's all removed, right?
Yeah, so why don't we put continue?
No, not continue. Here, this one is I or plus equals
Oh, okay.
two. Not
Wait, no, but we can't do that in a for loop. We can only do that in a while loop.
No, who say that?
Uh,
Who tell you that?
another teacher from Java team.
No.
I think it doesn't work. We'll try.
No matter where you learn it, it's wrong. This is correct. In this case, you jump by 3 later, but right here it jump 2, and here it jump 1, so it totally jump 3. Is that okay?
Yeah.
And these two cases, they will just put a character here. U -2, then later out of for loop, you still need to do massage. But sometimes you are in trouble because you actually had just 2 later or 1 later. You are in some cases you are in big trouble. Those are harder to do because you may have something like Y, A, K, and then A, some case like this, you will be in big trouble. So better you just do it in this way. You qualify the length later because every later you still need to check it. Every later you still want to add it in. You still want to add it in. And then only when you are able to check the pattern, you check the pattern. You check the pattern and then here you increase bypass 3, you actually is bypass 2 plus bypass 1 over here, okay? It's actually valid. Any I change is valid right here, okay? I don't know where you got that impression, that's wrong. Maybe that's Python language, but not here.
Wait, is it? I can't remember.
Yeah, but maybe it's Python language. Python language, you do not change I in the middle. But C language, Java language, whatever, C-like language should be fine.
I think it was Python, yeah.
Yeah, Python maybe not. Okay, good night then, bye-bye.